Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The painting tools in Photoshop Elements include the Brush Tool, Impressionist Brush Tool, Pencil Tool, Color Replacement Tool, Eraser Tool, Magic Eraser Tool, Background Eraser Tool, and the Smart Brush Tools. The term painting tools in Photoshop Elements is a broad-based, generalized term that refers to all these different pixel editing tools in Photoshop Elements. The commonality between all these painting tools in Photoshop Elements is that they all apply color changes to pixels in raster layers in Photoshop Elements. Therefore, you cannot use these tools to change vector data in shape layers or type layers unless you first rasterize the vector layers. The following lessons in this chapter show you how to use the different types of pixel-based painting tools in Photoshop Elements.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.